Is CSS and JS dying? Let's talk about it. First, to get on the same page, I'm talking about JavaScript to generate styles in your components, commonly React, where you might use a fancy string to generate styles and use them in the same file. But an interesting article caught my eye from a co-creator of Emotion that said they're avoiding CSS and JS for their next project. He cites performance as a big issue, where frameworks like Emotion ship a bunch of JavaScript to the client, and the latest version of React is less efficient with JavaScript-based styles. And that's because you don't know the styles a component needs till you render the component on the page, which can take a long time if you have a bunch of components. Now, this doesn't mean putting CSS in your JavaScript files is bad. Linaria, for example, lets you write styles in your JavaScript, but it compiles it away so it doesn't ship a JavaScript bundle to the browser. You can also use these libraries more conservatively. Like, instead of using the prop passing that style components has, you can use a CSS variable instead to use less JavaScript, or if you just need scope styles, you can use CSS modules and import that class where you need it. All this to say, just know CSS and JS is not a silver bullet, and use what works best.